The weather though, yes, you've guessed it, it's going to rain, but there is some light at the end of the tunnel. I might just about be able to promise you some fine weather for the weekend, but not so at the moment. This band of cloud and rain has been advancing from the west all through the morning. In fact, it is pretty heavy, and the Met Office has a weather advice which will eventually apply to the whole country of a spell of heavy rain, which could well give some hazardous driving conditions, even a little bit of local flooding. It's all due to this weather system that's going to continue to march across the country during the rest of the day, and in fact during the rest of the night and into the first part of tomorrow. Come to that. Now, at the moment, many eastern parts of the country are still dry. A little bit of brightness here and there, but a fair amount of cloud. But this rain has already packed into the west. Some of it's pretty heavy, and it isn't going to be all that long before the rain moves across to reach all parts, certainly by about tea time. At the same time, across Ireland and maybe some of these southwestern areas, the rain could well be replaced by somewhat brighter weather, although if that happens, there will be some showers. So it is the first day of glorious Goodwood today. The first race probably getting off all right, but it's not going to be all that glorious when we get to the latter races, because by that time I think it will be pouring with rain. And despite the fact that we're going to have this rain and incidentally the strong winds along the south coast, that wind not far off gale force, so you put the two together and you'd think it would be rather on the cool side, but actually temperatures are just about managing to struggle up to the normal for the time of year. And then during this evening tonight, the rain only slowly clearing away from eastern parts of the country, in fact not clearing at all from easternmost counties, behind just one or two showers, and the clouds slowly but surely tending to break. Temperatures down to about 14 or 15, so that's not particularly cool. The low pressure is still close by into tomorrow, so it is going to continue to feed some cloud and outbreaks of rain right the way down those eastern counties, down to about Norfolk probably. Everywhere else some brightness, some sunshine, but I think that you'll find that during the course of the day in central and eastern parts of England, that brightness will trigger a few showers. Some of them could be quite heavy and thundery, and eventually it'll be brightening up along those eastern coastal counties, but the rain hangs on last of all in eastern Scotland. Temperatures about the same as today, not far off normal for the time of year. Then it all happens again on Thursday. Another weather front comes along. We start off bright. We have wind and rain moving across all parts, followed by a return of brighter weather with showers. The front stalls a little bit in the southeastern corner on Friday to keep some outbreaks of rain going there, but eventually it'll be moving out of the way, and everywhere else it's a brighter picture with some sunshine and showers. And then, believe it or not, high pressure for the weekend, things settling down. Back to Anna.